In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix App Store stuck on loading. If your App Store is spinning, not showing results, or refusing to install apps, don't worry. We'll walk through a clear set of fixes, starting with the simplest and moving to a more thorough reset if needed. Follow along, try each solution, and test the App Store after each one. First, check your internet connection. The App Store needs a stable, active connection to load content and complete downloads. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then test that connection. Open a website in your browser or play a short video to confirm everything loads quickly and smoothly. If pages stutter or videos buffer, you're likely dealing with a weak or unstable connection. Move closer to your router, switch to a stronger network, or wait until your connection improves before trying the App Store again. If the App Store is still stuck, switch your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, turn Wi-Fi off and use mobile data. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. After you change networks, fully relaunch the App Store so it can start fresh on the new connection. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher, swipe up on the App Store preview to close it, then reopen the App Store and try searching for or installing an app again. This quick reset helps clear temporary network hiccups that can trap the App Store in a loading loop. Next, turn off content and privacy restrictions, which can sometimes block the App Store. Open Settings, scroll down to Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, and turn that toggle off. Return to the App Store and check if it loads normally. If it does, you'll know a screen time rule was the cause, and you can later re-enable screen time with more permissive App Store settings. If the problem persists, reset all settings on your device. This does not delete your personal data, but it will reset Wi-Fi passwords, display settings, and other preferences. Go to Settings, tap General, then transfer or reset iPhone, tap Reset, and select Reset all settings. Authenticate if prompted and confirm. When your iPhone finishes resetting, open the App Store and test it again. This step clears deeper configuration issues without erasing your content. After completing these steps, the App Store should no longer be stuck on loading and should function normally. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more App Store tips and tutorials.